Hey AC, I've got something exciting to tell you. Did you know that you can use your own photo for the photo on your AC card and U-Pass? You don't have to worry about it looking like your driver's license. Your photo can look exactly how you want it. The best part is if you're a new student, you can upload your photo online before you arrive and skip the lines. You'll get an email when your card is ready and you can pick it up from the click and collect line on campus. Now before you go start taking pictures, there are a couple of things you need to know so your photo will be accepted by the AC Card Services office. It must be a recent, clear, good quality photo of yourself. It must be on a plain white background with your head centered looking straight at the camera. Don't worry if your photo isn't framed properly. You'll get the chance to crop and resize your photo to the proper size before you submit the image. There are some things you can't include in the photo. You can't have anyone or anything else with you. No hats, no sunglasses, and no group photos. And definitely no Snapchat filters. Remember that your picture needs to have a white background and no scenery in the background. Sorry, that picture of you in front of residence is out. Okay, so now you have your photo. Are you ready to upload? Step 1. Log on to our photo upload system at acphoto.algonquincollege.com with your network login ID and password. You can find your network login ID and password on Access. Read through the photo specifications and click the checkbox at the bottom to agree to the terms and conditions. Step 2. Select your campus from the drop-down menu and upload your photo. Step 3. You can edit and crop your photo to the proper specs. Step 4. You will check one last time that your photo meets all of the proper criteria. Step 5. Upload a photo of your government-issued ID. This is just to verify your identity and it will be deleted as soon as your photo has been approved. Once your ID has been uploaded, you're done. If your photo is approved, you will receive an email when your cards are ready for pickup. Check algonquincollege.com/cardservices for pickup hours and locations. If your photo is rejected, you will be invited to submit a new photo. You can also check the status of your photo submission online. Say cheese!